finna go on.
My back is against the wall. More just who to call out when I need relief. I break to help me fight.
I'll see what time it is. Sir.
Just like old days.
What they get over here? They looking at something. Dang. See that?
That's a shark?
Probably a dolphin.
Yeah, that's a dolphin. Dolphins. Nice. Get the camera, send that to mommy. You gotta send that to mommy.
Me and Little out here with the dolphins. I'm gonna throw Cam in there with him. What happened if we cast the rod out and we catch a dolphin?
No, I'm gonna have to let that thing go immediately.
I'm taking it home.
No, you ain't.
We eating dolphin tonight.
No, we ain't. I'm letting that go. I'm letting that thing go immediately.
You don't want to eat dolphin, man?
No. Dolphins are precious. I'm not doing that.
Everything living is precious. Dolphins ain't just precious. We out here.
Look at Daddy.
Beat gang, you already know, man. Mook in the feet. Yeah, we don't only flip cars, man. We fish too. We do nature things. We out here.
Yeah.
Give me a nice little cash. We out here, gang. Out here kicking it with my son, man. Birthday vibes, Capricorn vibes. Only the real gang know, man. Mom's January 6th. I'm January 9th.
January 17th.
Yes, sir. We out here doing it big, man. Kicking it, man. We ain't catching no fish. But we live in the, well, I live in the Midwest. It's snow everywhere, man. Y'all see how we is out here. We in the ocean with it. Oh yeah, we really in the ocean. This ain't no game. scared of heights though. I'm really scared of heights, for real, for real. I'm doing this for little homie on his birthday, man. He out there getting it. I gotta go get it with him. I'm over here in the cut. I am tired. I'm played out. My son had a ball, man. That's what's most important. I enjoy my time here with him. His mom is on the way to pick him up right now. Mook and the V, gang. This is how we living. This is what we doing, man. We having fun with the kids, man. We got the cars, man. What y'all want, man? Jump in them comments. Let me know what y'all want to see, man, because we do it all over here, man. You can't call us no one-trick pony. We does it all. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and cut on that bell notification and turn it to all. Keep yourself notified. All my members, man, keep y'all notified for what we got going on the channel, man. When I get back home, I got some big things planned with some big YouTubers. So y'all stay tuned, man. Gang out.